All right, welcome to my savings calculator application. It's a simple application with the purpose of not only logging or reflecting an amount saved, but also posting transaction history and allowing a user to associate each transaction with a specific goal, or as we can see here, a reason, for the savings. So on this home route, I'm just going to give the page a quick refresh so we can see we are at home here where we have posted the total amount saved. So the sum of all transactions and deductions, of course, too, or, deposits and withdrawals respectively. We also have the posted list of reasons to save, which is actually a preset list of reasons that are going to be posted in a drop down for the ability of adding them to a transaction, which we'll show just in a moment here. But they're posted on the homepage for the simple idea of maybe inspiring a user for different reasons they might want to save, but also kind of getting them ready, getting us thinking about what each transaction will be associated with, because that is something that has to be added with any new transaction. We move on to our next route here, which is the transaction history. Each transaction is posted in its little box here where we can see the date it was posted, the amount that it was posted for, as well as the goal it's associated with. Now, if we scroll down here, we can see some of these transactions are, let's see. Let's find one. Okay, here we go. Some of these transactions are denoted with a minus symbol in front of them for the amount. That, of course, denotes that funds were withdrawn from that fund or that goals fund. Now, with that being said, of course, deducted transactions are also reflected in the total amount saved. So that's constantly updating. And these are not ordered in any kind of specific way here, other than that the oldest transactions are at the top and our newest ones are down at the bottom here. So moving on, we can see the third route, which is the ability to add a transaction to the list. So the instructions are here. And if we follow them, we can see to add a transaction, enter first the date in that format. So today is 12/12/21 and the amount saved. So remembering back on our home route, let's just look here. The total saved was or is currently 1745. So just to show that that is updating in real time here, 1745. Well, we can do plus 20 in the holiday gift fund. It is that time of year. So we're going to add 20 to that fund, post this transaction. First, if we go down to transaction history, we'll see it is at the bottom here. And then lastly, if we head back to our home route, it is reflected here in our total amount saved, 1745 plus 20 takes us to that 1765 figure. So it is reflected here without refreshing the page or re-rendering anything. So that is the savings calculator. I do want to note here that it is being run in my server localhost 3001 because the backend Rails API is running in localhost 3000. But yeah, that's savings calculator.